welcome, everybody. Welcome to another installment of Crypto Moose. The moose is loose for drinking coffee. You know what that means. We are getting into some crypto and NFT info. Specifically, we are going to be talking about the Ledger Stax, a brand new crypto hardware wallet. So, before we get into it even more, let me raise the volume just a touch. And I want you to like and subscribe, but only if you like the video. If you don't like the video, why would you like and subscribe? But if you're enjoying it, okay, if you're enjoying it as much as Sam Bankman-Fried is enjoying the Bahamas right now, or jail actually, which we'll talk about in another episode, then definitely like and subscribe. Again, Mitchell Bouchard. And what I want to do specifically is talk about this hardware wallet. So for those of you that don't know, a hardware wallet is a physical device that holds your private keys, and essentially your assets are stored offline. It is arguably the best way to store your cryptos, your NFTs, essentially your digital tokens. And what Ledger is trying to do is they are creating a new hardware wallet that we haven't seen before. And my initial thoughts, that's what I want to do in this video. I like it, but I'm not going to get it. And I'm going to explain why. There's really one main factor. So let's go to the big screen. And this is it, the Ledger Stax. So it is quite beautiful. It's more of a notebook type of wallet. And what is cool about the device is that you do have this capability of stacking them. So hence the stacks. I believe they are using magnets to stack the devices, and I like that you can use them for backups. But really, there's two reasons why I won't get it, and we'll get into that in this video. So what you can do, by the way, is go to ledger.com/blog/Ledger Stax. You can check it out. I'll even go full screen here, but definitely check out the website. They have some cool videos on it, but ultimately, I'm not the biggest fan of this device. I haven't used it. This is just announced. So like nobody's used this device, but my initial thoughts is that it does feel somewhat gimmicky. Like I think it's a good idea, but the problem, and that's what I'm going to talk about, is they have what they're calling this e-ink technology. And by the way, they have an Apple designer who came in. He's one of the Apple guys, which is really cool. But I don't like that the screen is black and white. So if you look here, I would like to see my NFTs in color. Most of the NFTs I have them because I love the art as well. It's a big component. Now you have this big screen where you can see it. We'll go to the website. I wanted to show this separate because I want to educate people as much as I can on cryptos. The point of this channel is to help educate all of you, obviously entertain as much as I can, but a lot of people need help in crypto. That's why I have videos on how to set up Nami wallets, how to set up, for example, we're going to be doing MetaMask wallets, stuff like that. Comment down below what you would like to learn. I've been in this space for a while. I've made mistakes. I have seen a lot happen. I've been part of the BitConnect stuff. Okay, I shouldn't say I've been part of it, but I was into crypto and I've seen it all unravel, so to speak, right? So anyways, Ledger, they make great wallets. In fact, I have a old Ledger. This is like the S. I don't recommend it. I recommend getting the new one. In fact, if you go to ledger.com, that's where you should order all of your Ledger hardware wallets. Do not buy it from eBay or Amazon, because the problem with that is that somebody could potentially tamper with the device, and they could be hacking into your device, and you don't want that, right? So always go directly to the website. Do not try to get a deal in crypto. Do not try to save $5-10. Like screw that. You want to protect and have a level of security when it comes to your crypto assets, right? Now, because you are holding on to your private keys, yes, you have more authority over your coins, but that brings in a lot more responsibility. So don't forget that, right? With great power comes great responsibility. Spider-Man, right? So that is definitely something to check out. So if we look at the lineup here, we have the S, that's the one I have, but the new one isn't bad because you don't have to uninstall your application. So with Ledger, you would install an app, like the software to hold your wallet, your tokens. And with the new ones, they have a lot more memory space, whereas the old ones did not. So I would recommend the S for entry level. My favorite hardware wallet, though, definitely the Trezor Model T. So this is going to be their new one in their lineup. This one is for beginners, I would say, absolute beginners. It's much cheaper. This one we're getting closer to 200. And then this one is the brand new one. Whereas the X does work with Bluetooth, and it does use the app. The Ledger Stax encompasses all of that. So we're going to click on it here, and you can pre-order it. I'm trying to look for a price. I believe, yeah, $391 Canadian. That's a lot of money, and especially for something that I haven't seen that has color. Like if you can't display NFTs in color, and I'm paying $400, that's ridiculous. That doesn't make sense to me. It does look slick, but that is a problem, right? It is expensive, you know. So like even at $400, it doesn't make sense, right? Like you might as well just buy a phone, even if it's a couple years old or something. And the other thing is, I like my Trezor Model T. I don't want to have two phones. So comment down below your thoughts on what you think. We'll go through a couple of other things here as well. I just want to keep this video under 10 minutes. Don't want to ramble on too much. But again, take a look at the photos. Go to shop.ledger.com. Make sure you're on the right website. Do not go on a website where you're sending money to somebody else and you don't know what's going on. But if we look at the positivity of this hardware wallet, you are going to be able to view your NFTs, which is really cool. You'll be able to have your name. I think it aesthetically looks pleasing. Like it looks really nice. Like this is cool. I think it looks great. But my thing is, I would definitely wait for the next iteration or whatever comes out next, because I just don't want a black and white screen to show off my colorful art, right? Like if I'm going to own digital art, I just want some color, right? Like, I don't know. Comment down below if you agree. Like I know that this is revolutionary in the sense that, you know, it's the first one of its kind in this regard, but come on, like give us some color, right? And again, built for clarity. They have this e-ink touch screen. And again, they brought on the Apple designer, one of the Apple phone designers. Definitely really cool. And it supports so much, right? If you go to the top, Bluetooth, supports NFTs, it's customizable, 5,000 coins. So you're going to be able to hold a lot of different native tokens. I assume layer 1s, layer 2s. You'll probably be able to stake from it. They have a big secure element. That's what I do like. For example, if you have, for example, $1 million in crypto, I would say even over 50 grand, you probably want to get this. Like just for that security element alone. So check out the videos. I don't want to play them. I don't want to get this video taken down, but they do have quality videos. That's on this article. So I will put a link to the website, but definitely check out this Ledger Stax security blueprint. I thought it was very intriguing. Again, I'm not a hacker. I'm not much of a coder, so I'm more of a video creator and just somebody who's been investing into cryptos and finally understands how to communicate and you know, help people better understand what cryptos are as well. So definitely check it out. It's the Ledger Stax. I think it's beautiful, but I would give it a B-, and that's due to the fact that you don't have a color screen and it is very expensive. So you could also pick up a Trezor Model T. So that's all we're going to have for you. I don't want to do anything else. We also have online courses in the link in the description below if you want to learn how to start out in crypto and NFTs as a beginner. But please comment down below, like, subscribe, only if you like the video though. If you didn't like it, then don't do that. And remember, if it ain't your keys, it ain't your cheese.